back to another video. For those of you who are new, my name is Miriam, and for those of you who already know who I am, welcome back. We have another video, and as you can tell by the title of the video, we are going to be cleaning today. Please excuse my look. This is my house look. But oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. Like, the house is a total disaster, and I don't even know how I'm about to vlog and do this today. But we're gonna try to get this done. So if you're watching this video, I figured out how to do it. But if I don't figure it out, I'm probably not gonna post this video because we have a lot to do. The kids are upstairs. One of them sleeping, the other one's doing something on his computer, playing a game or whatever. My husband went out to get some stuff that we ran out of, and I think I'm just gonna start by eating breakfast and get my mind together and my thoughts together, and then we're gonna get into the video. But let me just show you guys. You guys don't judge. Don't judge. Let me show you. Crazy. So this is our living room right now. Yeah, disaster. So we got some new furniture for the kids for their room, and we didn't bring it upstairs yet. So yeah, we're gonna do that shortly. We had this TV since Christmas. We didn't get a chance to put it up. We started putting it up. It's sitting on the floor right now, but we're trying to mount it up. So baby went to go get the supplies to mount it. And we kind of just have junk all over the floor, and like the shoes and the floor. We got to sweep, mop, and all that stuff. So yeah, this room's a total disaster. This room's a total disaster. Ugh. My goodness. All that needs to get done. Need to do the kitchen as well. Need to clean the counters and all of that. And then the playroom. Oh my goodness. Of course, dining area, mess. Just a mess overall. Over here, mess overall. Whole house, like I said. So yeah, like I said, the whole house is a hot mess, and we're about to get this cleaning started because your girl don't like messes. We don't do those. So yeah, let's go. And I just want to say, whoever said the weekends are supposed to be relaxing and fun and all that stuff, you lied, because my weekend is never relaxing. This is what I do every weekend. I'm about to find myself something to eat. And yeah. That's how we that's how I'm about to eat this food real quick, and then we'll be back to start the video.
That's another thing. But they were already gonna fit up the steps. Right.
It should.
It should. Everything should.
Give me the ladder.
Everything should.
Everything I go. Go. The thing to fit our big ass dresser upstairs. I can fit upstairs. That's a baby dresser.
You're gonna see which is the baby dressers. I'm gonna show you which is the baby.
Jesus. Finally finished. So I finally finished cleaning everything, Babe and I, of course, and this room is all done. We were able to put the TV up there. This is what it's looking like. We done cleaned up a little bit. Okay. And y'all know I made that plant right there. If you want to see that video, I'll link it in the description box. And then the kitchen. We still have to move the furniture. We kind of just moved it here because we're going to bring it upstairs. But finished cooking and everything. So thank gosh. And then I'm going to have to place... Ooh, my camera keeps dropping. Lord. I'm gonna have to place that picture somewhere else because it was over the fireplace, but we have the TV up there now, so I'm gonna have to find a new home for this picture. And moving along, we're able to clean all of that. And the dining room, thank gosh. This has to go upstairs still. So, and then the kids' room. The kids actually did their playroom themselves, which was actually pretty good. So all we had to do was sweep, and we're done. I'm not even done with everything, but I'm done for today. You guys, I'm so sorry. My camera is like, I don't know, but I'm done for today. And yeah, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.